Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment. After it, I play one round and then I decide what I work on today. First, correct project, call it game dev. For the terminal is responding. One command to start the stuff. I play musician today. I'm working on defense mode. So we're waiting for some lines to appear. Okay. And it's ready, it runs in the browser. Localhost for me. I delete our data to start fresh. With the Google Chrome icon, okay, it's no longer turning. I play musician, I play square. So I'm square in the middle. Besides the enemy, if I come close and attack me, the bar above my head is my HP, which is 0, I die, and if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. As a musician, I can place notes to do damage and make music. It's not even activate. Really pretty quiet in the background, but there's some. Okay, I killed the boss already. I take shield gain, I guess. Cannot switch to anymore. Three, 1, 2, 3, 4. And damage over time. 2, 3, 4. Can I did not sound so fitting. Next was killed, I was multiply. Or I keep the music for now. I could start one new. The square stone hit. On 12k, okay. I also remember I always wanted to do a second damage multiplier for single target. 15k is the next boss. Okay, I have everything, I guess. Oh. Oh god, oh god. Hit him, thank you. Perfect. Oh! Okay. Survived. Okay, hit them all. The square. Do I need another slow, another speed? Oh, I reached the end, so I just go in, I guess. I'm an idiot. I could have won. I didn't. I had more than enough space. Okay, but copy last replay. Take it. It was so easy to win. On tour. Young musician. It's really short, interesting. This is fine. I have to activate with test here. Long musician. Spec. Hard mode got kill is missing. Next is increase version. 393. And if this what I'm working on, spawn each king once was my question mark. Interact currently the problem is it to be possible for building an Indian in first wave. To interact with in first wave. So I put in the trading opportunity at the start. I deactivated completely. I could make it wave specific. This might be a better Is it? I don't want to take my past character stuff, I guess. And if my past characters protect the base, should they be able to die? Maybe. Base past characters that I don't know if be helpful. I might protect from the middle. I wanted to cycle through them and be able to play them. This would require I mean, I could make a ability swap character. I guess I have to try. In general, I like the idea and have to see if it works out. So past characters protect. At the start I have some. I could also decide to have some down. 10-second some wait time between waves, because Kyuntia has the problem that it is pretty fast-paced in the end. Maybe I play as base defense mode once. The base defense mode, I take sniper, I don't cheat at all. The problem is oh no, I'm fast enough. Sniper I have to wait for. Okay, last enemy, I wait. I cannot shoot on others. Wait for the boss. Do I get Fireline? Slow trail. Okay, this is perfect, I guess. I only have one big enemy. Oh, there's a second. I think I still have to. Okay, now I might have. Only see two big enemies in the bottom left. I think there was a third one. There. Yeah, here, top right, a third, okay. I think there should be about this. I take split shot. And speed, I guess. Code. there some better protected area? I don't think so. No, was there a boss? There was a boss. I need more rifles. Additional charge. Currently, I will not survive much longer. Oh god, I didn't see the big enemy. It was... okay. I don't see what wave I reached. Do I? Reaching wave 12 here. Okay. I think as a sniper I need more protection, but... Past characters protect base. Past characters will be... Can past characters die? Question mark. I think I go this route. Activating them is not the problem, I guess. Giving them AI. Pascal will be ticking ability AI. But don't move. Try one of it. Spawn each king once. Place characters at more like it belongs here. So for past characters will end. Tick. There's circle when in place. I'm running too far out. I have this. Okay, this is my past character stuff. Probably I should look into... Can I... I have to think a bit, because currently I can tick past characters. I think they don't tick because I deactivated them, so it's just a flag I have to set. But they cannot die as past characters, but they are not considered targets. Can one player have multiple characters? This is also not the goal. No, each player has one character. Just think a bit. I should not be able to control past characters who have nothing. Maybe I want to move them to save. Oh, they are useless. I should not, I guess. Okay, where do I handle... How do I handle past characters being targeted? It's basically what I have to look into a bit. I need my game stuff. Game state, I have player inputs. This might be I link it over a client ID, I guess. Players is an array of players. You have past player characters. I never check for so if I would move players, past characters into players, then they would behave, they could die and everything, but I would not know it. I could give a flag for past character bot. Could flag a player like a bot. Maybe this is the most fitting option, and if I tap, I swap the character. This should be good enough. This would mean if I start defense mode, I swap all past characters which can fight, or all into player, flag them as bots, or past character bot. Do I lose them all? Does increasing... The problem is on restart, I don't know if I... No, on restart I think... Because it's not a player, I think I built players up again. To some degree. Client ID. Don't have a client ID. Okay, I have two options. I put them in player, or I do make a second object of bot players and have to, in both cases. Both cases I would probably need to adjust a lot of code. The question is what might be easier now and later. Second object is I think a bit more. I could also start with just activating past characters in C and swap. And not allow swapping it. It's also possible. Because I think I tick past characters. But then I have to remember to deactivate them when we start. Then they cannot die. But I think the whole idea of this mode is that they will die. Is it? In balls might die. It's because they're not smart. I think a bit more. I'm still unsure. I mean, I have my setup button so I can test around. Oh, where do I? Oh god. Players I use everywhere. Maybe here is what I want to see. And player characters at boss. Ah, they are. Well, they will be limited, I guess, so it will not do anything. And my character is looking in here. But they will not have a client ID. Would not need one. Get player characters. This is important for targeting, I guess. Turn character to pet. This would have last character just die. I also have no name. Think a bit. Tick ability, of course, I have to check stuff. Connect info. Ooh, is multiplayer sending to each player? So I might break stuff. Restart. Okay, might be one. I look a bit over the code to see anything which find client info by character ID. Yeah, I get the character, the player ID, client ID, and with the client ID I can check. I cannot find it at all. We try fight. This should not happen. Cannot retry in. Can I? Just retry checking. There are fighted. No, I don't use these timers. Game in checks, this would also work out. Save player as past. I would go to back to past characters. Interesting. So I would filter. UI. Instead, players handle command, player JSON, players. So this would send. This would increase the amount of data processed. It's normally deactivated. It's bad for this mode, but not too bad, I hope. Add replay inputs. To believe in it. Okay, for replays is also interesting. Will everyone scores player input? Maybe here I look once. This L. Forgot about this key. I think this is just a testing key, but who cares? I'm interested. Oh. Still print something out. I have no idea what. Do I delete it? I have a forgotten purpose. I should delete it. Class building. This should also not matter. It's not matter, should not matter. More info, this would matter. I would see all my past characters and players now. Ooh. Okay, there are a few things. I mean, I can filter it on bots in the end. If I want to. Players, this might be one I should still check. Game init players, this is what I wanted to see. Go over client info, I find the player. Do I reset players? I find the player. If he doesn't exist, I else. If this is the player is not here, the player exists. Here is set player character. Here I create the player. This game init. Did player switch left? How does this work? Go over all players. Player client ID. I check. Okay. This is what I wanted to know. I would delete because they don't have client ID. I would delete them. This would work out. Anything else which I remember? I still didn't see how I do. No, I only send key inputs over network. And I send over client, so it should for multiplayer also not matter. I believe. putting bots in player is easier. And I would flex them as bots. This would also enable other options in the future, maybe. Did? I don't know. Okay. Okay, so my first idea is I push past player characters over to players. I flex them as bots. Then I see what happens. This means player need a bot is bot question mark boolean. And I actually client ID would need to go to optional because they don't have. This might create problems. Let's see how many. Only 4? It's only 4, I'm fine with it. Here's -1 as default. I want damage breakdowns for the past characters. Maybe. Think a bit. Probably. But I need I would need a client ID for it. So I can put it to the correct character. I think a bit. Findability occurs in character by ID. Think a bit more. But he will not allow to be client ID less. I could check if this matters. Just goes down deeper. Client ID and here it matters. Here is set 1. Mina code for bots use negative numbers. Because okay, maybe this is not a good idea. I want to see the other 4 cases, I guess, but I believe if I do positive numbers for players and negative for bots, then I'm fine. Might be fine. Ein kleine Info bei Character ID. And other player indicator. Okay, he would not. This is fine. And last, delete player which left. Also fine. Okay, so I believe and now I am lost. Where did I make the change? Game or no? Player. Yeah, okay. I just have to be sure that I don't give real players and others the same. And I will learn if I need to filter. So a spot is not normally set. I need to now when I start defense mode and would need to copy characters over and activate them. I guess. I think a bit more. Anything else? And I flag them with a spot, even though this flag doesn't do anything. Ah, yes, I will use it for swapping through them. Okay. Now I do for game state past character. Let pasture of characters. Okay. This should give me a past character, and past character is disabled. Is it probably would should I copy them over? Or I move them over, I guess. And I need to remove it. If I remove it, I should go add I equals characters lengths, I bigger equals 0, I minus minus. I would pop. Pop is, I think, gets the last one, remove the last element. Past character equals this, and I would game state players push. And here it is now interesting. What do I need? I will find this in player, I guess. Create player with character. Create player character? No, create player. Here, create player. This gives me the object. Yes, no stuff behind it. Oh, this is interesting. Bots are not allowed to... Okay, now I found a problem. If I can swap to them, not if I just take them over. Okay, if I copy them over. Can I create player? I think this was the function I wanted. Client ID is now interesting one. Get minus I, past character, and this is it. Is past character not a character? It's undefined. If... Is this possible? Start with length, -1. As I forgot, if I'm bigger 0. Pop, so I could check. If past character, then I do this. And he should be happy for now. And I believe I should increase it by 1. Oh, no. Wait. Need to flag it. Past player. Past what player is bot is true. And then I do this. Now he complains. Ah, yes, he complains. Oh, he's happy. Now, when I start, I push them over, but they should not do anything yet, I guess. I will learn. Defense mode. You are targets, I believe. You will be attacked. Yes. They die. Oh no, they're now. Okay, this is the first thing I probably do. What is happening? Is there a -1 who survived? Yes, okay, I have some understanding of what happens. Let's just look into data, but I think he has a -1 flag. This works out. Okay, let's do +2. And why are the past characters here again? Because they die. And they, of course, are changed to past characters again. Okay, I understand. So I don't shake. I mean, for now, this is good for testing. Now I have to find out why they don't do anything. Because past player characters are not bots. If they are bot, I have to do stuff, but I think there are some flags in them I have to verify. So let's start it, check. Do I have game here? Yes. Game, state, players. And if I take one, I should have character. And I think I have some disable options here. It's unmovable. Maybe I keep it. But this doesn't have a deactivate. Maybe I have the deactivation on my abilities. Disable to this one. Okay, I should check my past character setup again. Should be in game when in game. Something save player as past character. In here I should do stuff. Okay, create a copy. I remove cursors. Disable abilities. So I will need to enable them. For pets, I disable. Okay, pet and pet abilities should be enabled. Then I have this unmovable. I check for legendaries. Legendaries are always placed out. I cap the character. Most average. I decide who is throw away. Okay, I decide. I understand. So these two values are what I need. This unmovable I have to remove for wall characters. Okay, now let's go for ability of passport player abilities. No. Past character abilities. Ability disabled is false, or is it undefined? I mean, should both end up in the same? Or pets is again if past character pets, and I will for, and I loop over all past character pets, pet of past character pets, pet. This has no disabled, they also can move, so pet. Not of past character, but of pet. I activate it. So far, so good. And I believe I turn character to pet. I want to change. I don't remember where it happens. Turn pet or turn to pet, turn to pet. Kill character is maybe this character, kill character, move character debuffs. He is dead, they die. I don't know where they turn to pets. Then player. Turn to pet. Minute players, I don't remember. Only have to go over game logic. If I tick player, I tick player inputs, tick past characters, tick characters, get player characters. Dying, turn character to pet. Return to pet on desk. I have a flag for it. I can flag, I guess. Past char will. This is false. Okay, let's try again. Okay, my musician ability is doing. Fine. Did he die? I think yes. I missed it. Okay, he died. He is barely alive. I get connected to a past character. Perfect. Can I pull him? No. Okay, he saw and so far stuff which happens is expected. I think this is fine that I couldn't get connected to a past character, is it? I didn't paint the dead characters, but I painted I think it's fine that I paint them lying on the ground. I think a bit more. There's no AI behind it yet. At least ability AI. Okay. They can die. And it's ended. Okay, I will want to lose the player. So the fact that I get them as past characters I want to remove now, I guess. This would be on game end or end game. End game it is. If players as past characters. If player is bot is not a bot, I save. Okay, this should mean I lose all past characters. They have no HP, interesting. I mean, I can try to help clean up, because the musician will survive a few waves. Okay, next wave might be the end. Okay, dead, and I died. Now all are gone. And this is my character from the last time. Okay. If I start now, he has full HP. Okay. If I start his gun, if I restart his gun, this is not so good. Is it? Or at least it would need some question. You sure you want to lose your past characters with nothing? Or I can allow restarting in the start. Okay, but now I have past characters protect base, not quite. The abilities tick, but they have no AI behind it. Now if I tick players, I have to tick player character, tick characters. I don't know that he is interesting. When do I tick ability AI? Tick function, character functions. I check what type of character it is and do a tick function. So I could give them a different type. Or what? Let's see, where's my boss type? Take boss enemy character. Closest, move tick AI. This is what I'm interested in. The move tick is... Oh no, they don't move. This is correct. I could have different bots. It's also interesting if I change the player character type. Is he a past character? Are they past characters? I think the clone has. Player character time. G pet type clone. This has. Not paint. Tick pet function. Don't remember. I see. I want to follow someone and then I tick. But this is all I need. So I could do character bot. I could start with the clone stuff. I just copy everything over. Character, pet, clone. Don't think I need character bot. Type bot. Character type bot. Character type bot. Paint. Is this required? This is optional. I have to find out what I need to do. But this is... I think I can do without. And this and ticking is just this one. This is my very simple bot. Add character type bot. Stationary bot. I can rename it if I have more bots, I guess. Now I have to find out where I add these things. A character? Player character type. Yes, I think. Okay, this is added. Now I have this character type and I can set in my base defense. Past jar type is now my character bot. And now they should use the abilities, I believe. Even though they don't move. Let's verify again. Tick AI. The faction should also be correct. So I have here one. If I defense mode, you should now shoot. Shoot at the enemy. Do it. Didn't I reload? One more try. Doesn't work. So something is off. I start and I stop. I want to stop somewhere else. Here I like this one. Do I have player one? This one I want. Character. And what I'm interested in is his type. He is flagged as a bot. Now I'm interested if this is even happening. Did I link the bot up correctly? Tick, tick. I'm interested in character bot. Is this happening basically? No, it's not happening. Interesting. Why should it not happen? So he did not complain, which means... okay, OBS said I was disconnected for a second. I hope it's working still. Okay, I'm here. I'm now questioning why this is not working. My first thought was maybe... No, I saw they run over tick characters. Get the character functions. I call the tick. This should happen. So I should go in-game tick and follow from there, I guess. Game tick. See if I can find it. Tick in paint. Tick past characters. And tick, here I am. Tick players. No, tick player inputs is not what I want. Tick characters, get player characters. This is where I want to go into. Now I'm interested. I have players. I have -1 and -2 correct. First one I'm not interested in. Because this is player 0. This is not the one I want. Oh no, I'm in the wrong. Get player characters. This is not what I wanted to jump into. Get passing catch is also not what I want. I think I have to go in, out, and in again. Now I'm in. Characters. I have both characters. Now I jump. So this is my own character. Snipe. Okay, I could not see it because both are snipers. But he doesn't have any snipe upgrades. For experience, I don't know what is faster to see. Snipe. So we show upgrades. No, he has more rifles and split shot. So this should be my bot already. Functions. Character type is bot. Yeah, here I could have seen it. And if functions null, he jumps over it. Okay. What did I not see? Don't have a tick function. I made some mistake. Character type what? Character type what? Ah, it's a tick pet function. Tick function. No, is it just tick? What is the function called? What did I... Tick function. Ah, because this is pet stuff. No. Now I understand. Okay, I was blind. Start. Test base defense mode. And now he's protecting me. Okay, now I need... What would station... Okay, I just want to see everyone once. So does he do something? He just randomly places towers. And if I do attached... It's within a way where I can die. Okay, perfect. Defense mode. Okay, he keeps the pattern. He doesn't place anything. Perfect. This is I'm fine with. Tamer. Let's unleash. Pets are fighting. I couldn't protect. This looks fine. Ball is the most interesting one. Because he can just wall twist death. Bye. I don't think the ball will survive. Well, he's somewhere. Now I will Ah, no, don't. And I know why it's laggy. Do I? Because I think the enemies do pathfinding. Okay, I have the problem with the ball character, but let's see. A musician I already saw is working because he has no AI. But I could check the case where I don't have any note. Does he place one? No, he doesn't. He does. Perfect. Didn't make it. Oh. Okay, but I guess only the ball AI might be very special. Let's see. Ball. Bounce ball. I want your tick AI to be different. Tick AI. Debuffs. Position. Move direction. What is he doing? He has no... Ah, okay, now I remember. I took the idea that enemies will run towards the player and then I just cast towards it. Okay, I understand. This means my I want to cast to the center, I guess, when I'm in defense mode, do I? I cannot see the clones. Ah, the clones follow me. This is why they keep close to me. Okay, I understand the logic. This means I want a different logic for the case if game state game mode is game mode base defense and ability owner type is equals character type bot else. And I will do position get map center basically. Cast bounce ball. Move direction. Do I have a... Can I always click anywhere and he just takes it? I have to verify, I guess. Cast position. Just calculate direction. I have a last mouse position. Client, this should not exist, so I can cast wherever I want, I guess. So I can directly say position is get map medal. I have no idea if this is a good idea, but maybe it will work out. Did he just randomly roll around in this case? Because the bot has no movement? Guess. Add map middle position. Game state map. This might be good enough. Let's see. Might be too fast. Did he finish? You please go away. I just want a ball. Thank you. And now I do base defense mode. And he's gone. And he's gone. Does he find back? Here he is. He's back. Made it. Don't think he is. I mean, it's sad that they never switch between the two abilities. Maybe I should make it. He's surviving. Never checked if the damage increases, but I hope it does. Sometimes he coughs. Still doing only 2 damage. Can be that I don't increase the damage on the outside. I have to check this. Let's flee. It's not increasing. This is not what it should do. Wait, but Uh, let's find out shortly. Death circle. Take ability object death circle. I did damage, character take damage, ability object damage. Yeah, I do damage is based on radius. Okay, this is not correct. I set it after next tick time. But now I have to check. Else. So if it's not reversed, I do normal damage, else it's game state, game mode data, Q and wave. I changed it a bit. Now it has to, they have to be like this. Q and wave times 2 maybe? Or like a power function? How often does this thing tick? Divided by 200. So 1000 distance would be 5 damage. Normally 1000 distance, so it's Q and wave times 5 is also too much. I do times 2 and I will see. Okay, I am interested. In the damage. Oh, it's 1. Okay, because it's, aha, okay, I understand. Next will be 2 and then it's 4, I guess. Should be in here 2, yes, it's 2. To see the 4. And then I'm happy probably. Rifles, please. Might never find back. He did. It's 4, isn't it? It's 4, yes, and after that it's 6. 4 is for sniper already dangerous. Oh, I could. If I make break times, then I can use the stuff in the break time of the base defense. Might be idea. I just wanted to check the tick damage. Okay, okay. For now, this might be good enough. I have two ticking AI, but the ball will move. Did I? No, not what I want. It's game defense here, this one. I did not remove the turn. They are still unmovable. Does it matter if they are players? I don't know. Okay, but now I could test. I do cheats, create endgame state. And now I'm making. Okay, this is chaos, but seems to be working. This is not fair. I mean, I was questioning why wave 2 doesn't start, but now it is. I think the problem is that the tower builder should also have a slightly different AI. They should only place until the limit and not care about anything else. I will see how many waves I get. The sniper did not do anything, and I'm damage meter. Unknown. They don't have names. Oh, okay. What was this? They were somehow stuttering. Can I see it again? Level 17. Done nothing. Because I think he took damage? Didn't see that anyone came close. Okay, sometimes they are. Okay, the bigger enemies are the problem. Wave 14. Oh, this could be chaotic. 18. Oh, I didn't pay attention. Lost HP from something. Okay, someone died. Oh, the king is here. Oh no. My tank tower builder is still alive. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Did I crash? Cannot. Okay, here's a crash. Lightning ball upgrade, lightning strike execute. Ability ID. I was not a lightning ball. Executed an upgrade. Got the upgrade. What happened? Where did you jump? I need the ability ID. T complaints. Cannot set property of undefined. So buff did not exist. What? No, the ability behind the buff did not exist. Buff lightning strikes. More confused. What is... Cannot set properties of undefined setting ID. So ability lightning strike has to be undefined. But I created it. It's interesting. So I have to believe I should see this problem sooner if I better separate tick AI. Basically both will try to cast when they can. And I could essentially I check if I have currently a ball buff, I return. Else I get a position, but I could also say 50-50 and it changes the tick. This guarantees that I use lightning ball more often. Could mean I is there a different way I could do this. Basically, bounce ball will always win. That's the first ability. I cannot use both. If I put a 50-50 on it, should be good enough. I guess I do it. if next random game state random seed 0.5 I turn randomized bounce ball and like get was cast. I would do the same here basically. And now I should see that there is some. No. Also, do I pause on on-code exceptions? Yes. In game state, I have balls, so this is perfect. I think they are using lightning balls. So it's not enough to crash. But I hope if I wait long enough it will happen. I should, while I wait, white down, and I forgot already. Tower builder, board only until limit reached. So it's the crash was not so simple, I guess. This round of past characters is far stronger, I believe. Or is it because I have a far better protection here? They basically have an entire two entire directions blocked and they are coming from mainly few spaces. It happened. What is the problem? This is undefined. I have a buff. But there is no ability lightning strike behind it. I apply the buff to the character. So this means Great buff lightning strikes for some reason fails, I assume. Let's investigate. It was my time, 22 minutes. This creation. So maybe I should check if there's any value missing. Duration, time, damage, spawn radius, strike radius, number strikes, strike delay, tick interval. Everything is filled out. I go in here. Wait. I misunderstood something. Create the buff. What? I'm confused. When should this happen? No, I'm totally confused. Lightning ball, upgrade, lightning strikes, execute. I do this when cast lightning ball. Always. I check, do I have this upgrade? And if I have it, I say perfect. Then I execute it, which means I create the buff. And I apply the buff, and then I set the ID. Why does this have to exist? I don't see it. It's optional. Just create it. It's not filled out here. Or am I blind? How can it be? Now I apply it. Ah, because the apply cares for it, I guess. Apply debuff functions. Am I here? Create buff? And then I will apply, and the apply will do something. Buff lightning strikes. So this has an apply. And the apply creates the ability lightning strikes and sets it. Okay. Understood. So the creation fails. Or the apply fails. Because this cannot fail. It creates an ability, just returns it. So the apply debuff can fail. When does the apply debuff fail? If I'm immune? Wait. Debuff. Or dead. So if I'm dead, can they cast if they are dead? This might be the reason. They are casting when they are dead, and then it doesn't work out. I indeed tick dead characters. Probably. Okay, so let's check. If character state is not alive, then I return. And this might fix it. So what I should see is that my character is dead. State, he's dead, yes. Okay, this explains it. Now the question is, should I prevent this case? On one hand, it told me I have a problem here. The other hand is where to happen. I guess I keep it better to crash, find out about it than not. But do I need to check this in here? Yes, I believe. Because maybe some dead characters, yes, the dead enemies, they have to tick to be reborn again. I need to re-tick dead ones. Which means one more try. I might have more cases like this. Let's dox it out. I want to see if it breaks in game state and okay, what do I have? Take sniper to okay now. Do I care? I just stand in the middle, I guess, and wait. What even happens? I think when I buy on upgrade buildings. I will think later about it. First, I just want to see that nothing crashes. And it definitely slows down. Which is what I would expect, I guess. Oh, there's a king. Oh, this will be interesting. Okay, king dead. Enough damage in my group. The king doesn't give XP, I guess. So something I should check. But the king gives money. Should I care? Okay, the first characters die. We have 33. We're still living. Few sniper. I died. Last sniper. Okay. Reaching wave 40, $240. New score distance 15. What? Okay, the high score stuff I need to check. I should put it on my list. Requires achievement. High score stuff. And currently. Did maybe some past character move so far away? I have no score. Past characters would take base, yes. Past character will be ability ticking AI, yes. Can cast, yes. So this is working. I normally first commit and then I base defense past characters defend commit. So this is done. I still have 10 minutes. I think I don't want to start with the next part. I play around. I still need my test ones. So let's do a sniper one, I guess. And also I should check here. Are they really? Ability snipe? Passing to big distance too far away? Window snipe. Window snipe. Okay, I should check this out too. Dock it for now. So check console log with snipers spamming snipe. And I have two distance too far away. Check console log with passing message passing too far distance. Okay, but I want let's. I also might have broken something because I changed the ball AI, but I don't think I play against it. Maybe it's fine. Let's delete all and start fresh and do one sniper one. And I will see. Also, I could decrease the damage of the darkness zone the further in someone is. Like the idea. More rifles. Maybe I will forget it. Damage and range is perfect for this direction. Speed. Okay, split should I take? I take an additional charge. Me. Aim. Definitely split shot again. Another speed. Oh. Okay, I survived. Another split shot, I guess. Too many split shot. My aim is so bad. Cooldown, I guess. My damage is good, so it. Okay, I have to careful. Okay, I used one speed up, but it's nearly regenerated. Somewhere here. Die. Oh god, I triggered behind. Get this one. Synergy split shot. Yes, I take because I have rifle. This should be a lot of more damage. The charge. This looks promising. Let's think. I have damage. Yes, I have more than enough. I want to. If I make them too strong, pull him to a corner. And. No, oh god. Okay, now I have to kill. See. I missed him. Perfect. Still 1.6 million, even though I waited a long copy. Last replay. This is sniper. Long sniper. Did you? No, you crash again. This is so stupid. How can I be open, please? I think he keeps my background process running. Nothing to worry about. Wrong sniper. Okay, now remove. Perfect. 29,000. Okay, it's... Why is it so long? Feel like... Was it such a long replay? I don't believe. Or is there some mouse move action player mouse? Mouse position, mouse position, mouse position, mouse position update. When my mouse position update is stuck, it might be a reason. So most of the time I was holding it down. Okay, let's hope it's just working thing. Okay, I should come to an end soon. This is a new sniper test one. Commit. Now I want to check. So overall restart. Test, one test replace. I expect nothing to break, but because I changed AI load checks, there might be something I overlook. This one I just did. It wasn't so long. It's weird that it took so long. It's so long, the test one. I remember, did I write down this behavior that on this position my frame is strangely low? I remember I wanted to write down something else too. All values are fine. Okay. Did I have it on the list that this position was strange? When standing on into yes, I wrote it down, okay. And I had some other thing I wanted to check. Do I remember? It's some idea. I forgot it, I guess. The idea I thought was decent. Ah, yes, I remember. There's a circle or damage if okay. With this, I can push it, so it will be deployed. Push. And with this, I have notes what to continue on, so everything is fine. Then I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Bye.